Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, One UI 7 is in the spotlight right now, and not just for good reasons. Yup, it's starting to stir up a bit of controversy. But don't stress, I've got some brand new updates for all you One UI fans out there. Recently, a Twitter user actually reached out to Samsung France to get some clarity on the One UI 7 rollout. And guess what? Samsung France responded with some pretty interesting details. According to them, the One UI 7 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra officially began rolling out on April 7, 2025. But, as expected, it's a gradual rollout, so not everyone is going to get it at the same time. It might take a few days to show up on your phone. Meanwhile, well-known tipster Taranvats has confirmed that the stable version of One UI 7 has already rolled out completely in South Korea. Now here's where it gets interesting. According to Taran, the global rollout is expected to begin between April 8th and April 11th. So yeah, if you haven't gotten the update yet, keep tapping that update button. Your turn could be just around the corner. Regions like India, Europe, the United States, Middle East, and South Asia are expected to be next in line. So don't worry, your device is likely up next. But it's not all smooth sailing. In another tweet, Taran also pointed out a few concerns. Yes, the One UI 7 rollout has technically begun, but it hasn't reached everyone. Global users are still waiting, while Korean users got it first on April 7th. That's led to a bit of frustration. People using the S24 are already enjoying the new UI, while some S25 users are still stuck on the old software. Yup, it's a bit of an odd situation. As for the Galaxy A, M, and F series, it looks like your turn is coming around June. So hang tight, your time is coming. But here's some good news, especially for folks in India. Taran just confirmed that the One UI 7 beta program is now officially available for the Galaxy A55 in India. So if you own a Galaxy A55, you can go ahead and download the beta version and start testing it out yourself. Pretty cool, right? Here's a full breakdown of the update schedule by month and device. Based on the Korean release plan, other regions will likely follow something similar. April, Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6 and Fold Special Edition. Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. Galaxy S23 series. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. May. Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Galaxy Tab S9 series. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3. Galaxy A34 and A35. Galaxy S22 series. Galaxy Tab S8 series. Galaxy S21 series. Galaxy S16. Galaxy Quantum 4 and Quantum 5. June. Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition and S9 FE Plus. Galaxy S53, S33. Galaxy A25, A24, A15. Galaxy Quantum 3, Jump 2, Jump 3, Buddy 3. Galaxy Tab A9, A9 Plus. Tab Active 5, Tab Active 4 Pro. Galaxy Wide 7. Again, this rollout schedule is based on what's happening in South Korea, but other regions will likely mirror this pretty closely. So, have you received the One UI 7 update yet? Or are you still waiting for it to drop on your device? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what region you're from and which device you're using. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.